Okay, we've been using this Diaper Genie Complete for about two and a half years now. My daughter is almost 2.5 and we've been using it her whole life. Here's some pros and cons. Pros, it keeps in the stink really well. Cons, some of the pieces have broken. I think that this is the second one that we've owned because our first one broke. It just gets a lot of use, and so it hasn't held up like the same exact one for those 2 years. The Diaper Genie company now has some models that are stainless steel. Here's one of them I just got for our second baby. Here's a stainless steel one. And so I would probably recommend getting those ones because the plastic, just the parts are plastic, and so with wear they break a little bit. But I like that they really do a good job keeping the stink in. They are kind of hands-free because you can use the foot pedal to open and close it. You do have to buy the specific refill bags, but I would say that you go through one of those refill rings about every 3 weeks, and usually you can get a 4-pack for like $20, and so that's maybe like $5 a month for the special bags. And they really do a great job of keeping in all of the smells, and so I don't think that that's that big of an issue. And I don't think that's a deal breaker for this type of trash can. I think that this is really easy to change, overall pretty easy to use. Our toddler will even, be able to throw away her own diaper in here, so even a toddler can use it, but the toddler is not able to like get out the stinky diapers, and so if you have other young children or pets and you're worried about them getting into the trash, they're not going to be able to get in here. Love this company. Might recommend getting a stainless steel model instead of the plastic model, but definitely get a step one. And if you're thinking that the bags thing is a deal breaker, I don't think it is, but that's just my 2 cents. Hope that this was helpful, and good luck with your diaper journey.